Let's enjoy this flavorful Callaloo stuffed chicken breast paired with a delicious cream sauce. Carefully butterfly your cleaned chicken breast, and if you cut a hole in it, this almost always happens. Details on how to fix it will be in the recipe. Season and then set aside while you prep the other ingredients, and don't forget to season the inside as well. Next, make the stuffing by sauteing the aromatics, then the Callaloo until just wilted. Spinach is also a great alternative. Turn off the flame and mix in the cheeses. These breasts are smaller than I would like. They're 6 ounce, so they're gonna be well stuffed. Once you secure them, sear for 2 minutes each side and finish in the oven. I flip them halfway, which is why I put them in face down. The cream sauce is very easy and is ready in minutes. Not a must, but it ties it all together so well. I added coconut milk and jerk seasoning to it for an island flair. You will have a 5-star dining experience for a fraction of the cost right in the comfort of your home. Can't wait for you to try this. As always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.